Shit.
It's nice in the sun.
Yeah. Supposed to go to 1 today.
That's still a little chilly. Hey, is that on? What is that?
Go have a lunch.
Is this a lie?
This a lie. When we lied to you, we would never lie to you.
Told you I hated that Toyota. We've waited all week. I gotta let her out.
Whoa!
And there's,
Holy!
can you read that?
Woohoo! Is this real?
What do you think?
It even has that foam thing like your dad. And heated seats.
Yes!
And it's automatic. Don't go for the...
Woohoo! Pretty sweet.
He hardly seems surprised.
I don't think this is real.
No, you have to send it back to the showroom now.
Like, this is mine?
The ownership is right there.
Holy shit!
We have audio too, you know.
It's nice.
It's brand new. I forget it had 200 and some odd kilometers.
Did you know about this?
Yeah.
What do you think? I just noticed he even got an adjustable steering wheel.
Remember that lady had to call you about insurance?
That was the screw up of screw ups.
That's why I was like, that was weird. Why did I have to do that? Oh my god, this is so cool.
I told them, I said, there's 3 other kids coming up behind this one. You want the business, you better friggin' smarten up. Papa made the bow.
Yeah. Am I creative?
Yeah.
When they took delivery of, it's
What are we gonna do with the Corolla? Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I like
There's your
it.
seat heat.
cruise
And
control.
it's red,
heated
racing
seats.
red.
Well,
They'll only go slow. I said, yeah, it only goes to 40.
Yeah, you told me on the way home. You're like, be careful on that thing.
Picture of her in the car.
drinking her Tim's.
That is mine.